Alright, we're going to write the equation of the line in standard form. And again, standard form is ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are all integers. A has to be a positive integer or a natural number. And a and b cannot both be 0 at the same time. Alright, so we have this line here. We're going to pretend we didn't have this line now. We just knew two coordinate points. And we'll pretend we know the intercepts. So we have 3, 0 for our x-intercept, and 0, negative 2 for our y-intercept. So we can use pretty much all the skills we already have for slope and slope-intercept form to get this into standard form. All right, we can use the slope formula. So y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So this will be our x sub 1, y sub 1. This will be our x sub 2, y sub 2. So we have negative 2 minus 0 over 0 minus 3, which gives us negative 2/3. I'm sorry, negative 2 over negative 3, which gives us positive 2/3. So now our slope is 2/3. So now we know slope and we know two coordinates. So we know a point and the slope. Point-slope formula. So we have y minus y sub 1 equals the slope times the difference of x and x sub 1. And it doesn't matter which coordinate point you select. You just need to select one of the two given coordinate points and substitute in the slope. So I'll use 3, 0. So I have y minus 0 equals 2/3 times x minus 3. Now I'm just going to solve, and I'll get into slope-intercept form. I'll distribute the 2/3. So I have y. I don't have to write the minus 0 again. I know that's just y. So y equals 2/3 x minus, and 2/3 times negative 3 is just negative 2. Okay? So now I have slope-intercept form. And because this is graph, we can kind of double-check with ourselves, right? We have the intercept of negative 2, and the slope should be going up 2 and to the right 3. And look at that. It's exactly doing that. And so if we had the line already, we could just skip right to this part, write the equation in slope-intercept form, and then now go into standard form from this. Right, so to get standard form again, we want ax plus by equals c. So we can get rid of this fraction first by multiplying every single term by 3. So this becomes a 3y equals 2x minus 6. We're almost there. We're going to subtract 2x from each side now. This gives us negative 2x plus 3y equals negative 6. And we have one more step to go because we really want a to be positive. Okay? So we're going to multiply everything by negative 1, which is essentially just changing the sign of everything. So this becomes 2x minus 3y equals positive 6. And that's our final answer.